Did you pop it in a drive for him?
Ghost ride to whip.
Oh yeah, give her a smoke show while we're at it. Okay, so
Bronze.
bronze.
What shade of bronze spray
For
paint do you think we're going to be able to find? No, we're not painting the wheels.
car?
We're not painting the car either. Brake calipers. Because we got new brakes, so we're left. I'm bad at this. So we're painting the brake. Oh my god, I'm cold. And I think I'm gonna die. But, so we were gonna, you know, get them professionally painted. But like most things with the E30, we realized that we actually don't have any money.
Right.
So we're gonna try to do it ourselves and see how that turns out. Just like with the carpet. You see the Home Depot over there?
Yo, Home Depot.
So we're just gonna have to scoot on under the highway and we'll be there.
Where do you scoot on under the?
At the highway scoot.
On the rondelle.
Yes.
Yeah, on the roundabout.
Yeah, so we can't afford to get it professionally painted, so we're gonna hope that it comes out as good as the carpet did. And
so like really bad the first time and then redo it and immaculately come out well?
yes, exactly like that. But I never redid it. I just like added more zest to it. Yes.
Okay.
Oh, so you know, we might have to add a couple more spices of zest to the subframe when we repaint it.
Spit on it.
Yeah, but I'm hoping it'll come out good. How many shades of bronze spray paint do you think they'll have?
I'm guessing 3. Oi, bro. Roller. Okay. Yay! Oh. Came in a little hot on that one. A little dipped her into gravy a little. All for the video, ladies and gentlemen. I think we should buy glitter. Glitter spray paint.
Yeah.
So
But like, isn't that just a clear coat? Glow in the dark subframe, E30 community. Oh,
good one. Got him. Where? This is yours.
thanks, guy. I really
okay.
wanted that.
So Steve, I think this is the move.
Top it off with the glitter.
Like very light.
Yeah, we should probably do this instead of that.
Why?
Because this would match instead of that. It doesn't match.
So I guess it would be a little bit more. Ooh, fluorescent.
I'm not sure we can match that to this though.
Frosted glass.
I looked at that, thought about it, thought it might get weird. Steve, guess what?
What's that?
I still don't know what I'm doing.
Woo!
Yeah, I'm just gonna let that dry for a bit.
Yay!
Steve, it's snowing outside. You know what that means.
What does that mean?
We should go do some donuts.
Let's do it.
Steve! What are you doing in here already?
I just magic, man. I'm just that damn fast. So we're doing these burnouts.
Yeah. Donuts, not burnouts.
Oh yeah, sorry, donuts. We're doing donuts. That's my mistake. So,
Snow makes for good donuts.
you know what else makes for good donuts?
Lamborghinis?
Where's Sean's keys?
I think I know.
All right, let's go get them.
Hey, so I got a great idea.
What are you doing?
It's snowing.
Okay. No. No, the E30 is up in the air. And
Yeah.
we're not gonna put that back together to do drift skis with the E30. No.
Sean's asleep and I have the keys to the Lambo.
There's no way I'm letting them have all the fun. I'm getting my car.
Alright guys, so as you can see, not a lot of progress happened on the E30 this week because of a couple reasons. We had a shorter week because of New Year's. We had a snowstorm right in the middle of the week. And I got the flu right in the middle of the week. But we did end up getting the rear end buttoned up. We got a couple coats of spray paint on it too. Just because we figured, why not? Nobody will ever really see it, and it'll kind of be one of those things that we know about, and it's kind of shiny underneath. Because we had that snowstorm, we were able to go take the cars out and get some drifties in there, so hopefully you guys at least enjoyed that. Next week we should have the car back on the ground. Not should, we will have the car back on the ground. The wheels will be back on. We'll have the new EBC brakes on. We'll have the exhaust on. That'll be on there. Oh, we'll have the interior put back together. Not really put back together. We'll have the black carpet in. We'll have the black speaker shelf in. We'll have the center console in. But we don't have seats yet. So, you know, if you want to donate some seats to us, that'd be cool. We like black seats to match our black interior. Don't forget to subscribe. If you need wheels, tires, or suspension, check out fitmentindustries.com. We also have as low as 0% financing going through the end of the month. And I think we have a sick Cosmos giveaway going too, so check that out if you want a free set of wheels. But until next week, peace.